guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to be doing all about the Rubik's Cube 4x4. So what we're going to do is about the 4x4 Rubik's Cube. I just know that it's actually recording on the telly as well. So, I'm gonna show you it. Here's another trickster on the 4x4. I'm going to try and set. This is the trickster. I'm going to make, this is how to solve it again. There's the new solved. There is also a white cross, but instead of it has to be on 2 layers. It's this and this. You have 10 seconds to figure it out. Time's up. It was the cross where the corners were different pieces, like you can get on the 3x3. It was just a bit like this. So there are way more configurations than they are in the 4x4 than the 3x3. I'm gonna have a quick show you my last video's Rubik's Cube. It was this Rubik's Cube. This was last video's Rubik's Cube. So this was the cross. It was by 1 layers. That was the white cross, and this checkerboard pattern. This checkerboard pattern. You can also get on the 4, not really. So that was the end of the video. So make sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos. The next video in this will be the Rubik's brand 3x3. I think something happened there. That's just a washing machine. You might be able to hear it. Subscribe for more videos. Also share in the comments below. Again, like last time, did you like the checkerboard pattern or the white cross better? And also smash that like button. Get this video to 1,000 likes and get a goal, and it will turn into a golden play button. I'm going to take you guys through this. Bye! This time on the 4 by 4.